Captain COVID here, and today I want to introduce you to Mrs. B. She's a new friend of mine. She is going to talk with you about how far germs spread when we cough or sneeze, and how we can avoid spreading them to our friends and families. Take it away, Mrs. B.
This week, I caught myself a cold. How many of you dislike getting a cold? Me too. And I feel like I'm about to sneeze. And now, I have to be careful I don't spread my germs. What do we do to prevent the spread of germs? Wash your hands. And cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. That brings me to an idea. Let's do an experiment to show you how far germs go when you cough or sneeze. What you need for this experiment is a balloon that doesn't have a hole in it, germs, otherwise known as hole puncher scraps, or confetti. If they still sell confetti, I'm not really sure. And so I don't spread germs, I'm going to use something to help me blow up the balloon. First, I'm going to put all my germs in this cup. What? That'll do it. Then you take your balloon, put your funnel in it, just like that. And hopefully we can do this without spilling. There you go, germs. Make sure all the confetti gets into the balloon. Okay, that's not working. Okay, then you take your balloon after you've got your confetti in it, which took a long time with a homemade funnel. So if you can find a funnel that's plastic, it would work way better. You're going to blow up the balloon. Are you ready to see how far germs really go after coughing or sneezing? Okay, make sure all the germs are at this end of the balloon. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh no! I'm going to show you how far these germs actually went. Are you ready? So this is where I was standing, and this is how far the germs went. There is the last one, and there is where I was standing. There's a germ there, a germ right there, a germ right there. Look at that germ. He's sitting there waiting to make somebody sick. Do this experiment at home and teach someone else why it's important not to spread germs by washing your hands and covering your mouth when you cough or sneeze. Until next time, boys and girls, go wash those hands. Bye for now. Now, I have some germs to clean up. Oh no!
All right, thanks, Mrs. B. Boy, we're having some fun with that experiment, and her balloon was not a real person coughing or sneezing. Tune in next time when we will learn about real-life experiments to show what happens when we cough and sneeze. But until then, this is Captain COVID signing off. And remember, the 3 W's. Wear a mask, wash your hands, and watch your distance.